Hi guys, it's me and Danny Jones, and that's a really loud bird up there. Stop it. Anyway, I haven't decorated my front porch yet. I know, that sounds insane. It's me, of course. I've been making all this Halloween stuff. But today I'm going to take the time to decorate my front porch and to show you a new product that I will be using in my decor this year that'll really brighten up my Halloween. Let's get started. So I guess I should explain why the delay in decorating for Halloween, especially my front door. Well, basically, we had a hurricane barreling down on us not more than a few weeks ago. And ever since it came, it was like I saw all the devastation there and I don't know, I didn't feel in the mood. It's also been really, really hot. But finally, this week, I finally decided let's get some decorating on. Not only that, but sad to say, the rest of my neighborhood really hasn't decorated at all. Now here I'm having the difficult decision of choosing which wreath I am going to use on my door. And I had to, amongst these three wreaths, all three of which I have made, this one I love for the front door, but it was too big and it literally got caught in the hinges at one point when we were opening the doors. So I decided that one couldn't be. And I was in between that vintagey one and Luke really liked the mansion one. So I finally used the little scary little spooky little mansion. I thought it was very cute. Now I'm just going to add my little Jack Skellington. And of course I have Sally as well. I really don't do a lot of crazy Halloween decorating outside, especially not too far before Halloween, maybe the night before Halloween. Simply because I hate to say it, I live in Miami and I've had blow-ups taken from my front lawn, believe it or not. So I keep it very, very simple. And now I have these beautiful leaf garlands and I thought it would be nice just to decorate. And I don't use ladders, I just use this really long stick with a hook on it. And I just added the beautiful leaves to decorate my door. I remember these leaves were a steal because I got them in those $5 grab boxes actually in February of this year. I got them with my friend Jerry. So it was good to finally get them to use. And now I'm using my big pumpkins here in that urn. And I always wanted to do like some kind of topiary, but it's just so perfect for that large pumpkin. And it says, "Welcome to the haunted house." And it laughs. It's really cute. And then here I have my own little topia that I created. I'm actually going to look for a little white pumpkin. I think I had a white or green pumpkin somewhere in the house. So I'll add that to that topia. And there is my little homemade broom that I made during Summerween and a little black witch's hat, which I don't care if it gets lost or anything. And that's it. I think I am done for this front door. The only thing I do need is a new front door rug. So I will be on the lookout for that. So there's my front door entrance. Now here's something new that I'm using in my Halloween decor for the first time this year. And it's these wonderful lights from OLLNY, OLLNY. And they have been so sweet that they offered to provide some of the lights for my decor. Now I love the lights so much that I actually bought another set for myself. Now here I'm showing you how bright they are when you turn them on and how you can have all the different settings to exactly what you want for your decor. So here they are off in the darkness and look how bright they are. And what I love is that it has a clear wire as well. Now those were alternating. This also is alternating, much slower. And it's just all these different settings. There's at least 8 different settings. This one is a slow glow, which I thought was very pretty. And this is like disco lights. Woohoo! Lots of fun. And this is also like a slow on and off glow. You can also have them on the whole time. And again, I swear these disco ones are a lot of fun. I might use those on Halloween night. And that's it. So now to install them in my home. Now most people might put them up on their roof, But I thought instead it would be cool to have, because I'm on a corner lot, I think it would be just be cool to create like this fence with these beautiful bright lights so that kids would be attracted to it and they'd come running to the house from far away. Again, so far I'm the only house that is decorated anywhere in my neighborhood. There's one other house like 5 blocks away, believe it or not, and they did a phenomenal job. But around my area, I am the only one. So here Luke is helping me out, just putting in these wooden stakes that are going to act as my fence posts for my little garlands, my lit garlands. And I think it just looks so nice. And again, it's going to be lining my driveway, and that's how people come up to my front door, is through the driveway. So I can move my cars out of the way and make it a safe entryway for all the kids to come. And you can see the OLLNY lights there in the background, just shining up in the dusk of the evening. Again, no one else in my neighborhood. It's so sad. There's like no Halloween spirit anywhere in my area. And this was a neighborhood that used to be packed with people that would decorate all the time. So I don't know if it's just what's going on these days or what's happening, but I hope that I inspire others with the spirit of Halloween, and maybe I'll see more houses decorated this weekend. And here all I'm doing is wrapping the lights around the post. I literally tie them around the post because that was the easiest way, I think, to do it. I could have used a nail, but I was always afraid of, if it falls down or if a kid hurts themselves, hurt themselves, or they, put their hand on the post, that they'll get a nail in the hand. So I'm always very concerned about that. So here I am just continuing to put on these lights, and it just makes such a difference. They're so bright and brilliant, and I do love this color combination. Again, if you're interested in these, I have a link direct below. The shipping is very fast. I think I got it within a day or two. And I also have a discount code. So remember to use the discount code below and check out these lights for yourself and make your Halloween bright and happy, and not so dark and spooky maybe. Just add a little brightness and whimsy to your Halloween decor this Halloween season. So thanks again to OLLNY for offering these beautiful lights, and thank you for coming by and helping me to decorate my front porch and my front, I guess my front yard as well. And I'm hoping that we get a lot of spooky visitors this Halloween season. Thank you once again for stopping by and helping me to decorate my home for Halloween. And thank you also to OLLNY Lights for helping to make my Halloween brighter this year. I hope you check them out on Amazon. As I always say, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure. See you soon. But I'll tell you, ever since I've put up these lights, people have been walking by and commenting on how beautiful the lights are, how much they love the colors, and how bright they are. This is just at dusk, so we're still just putting on the lights, but look at how beautiful and bright. And I just love how the colors work together, the orange and purple. I really, really like this. And I'm just wrapping it around. I could have, put a nail on the top, but I decided just to wrap it around those beams, those wood stakes that we put into the ground. And then all I'm going to do now is just continue to decorate the front of my yard.